Yeah, man. Jumping from everywhere. There's no water even coming out of the pee.